Dear students, today we start graphical method. In case of graphical method, there are two cases. First case is the coefficient of x or coefficient of y is 1. And the second case, if the coefficient of x and y is not equal to 1. In both the cases, there are different methods to solve such type of subs. If you observe in case of 1.2 exercise, first equation is x plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to 4. In both the equations, the coefficient of x is 1 and the coefficient of y is also 1. And it is very easy to solve such type of subs. In case of first equation, x plus y is equal to 6, we have to transfer x to the RHS, we get y is equal to 6 minus x, and substitute the value of x, we get the value of y. Similarly, in second equation, x minus y is equal to 4, y shifted to this side, 4 shifted to LHS, we get x minus 4 is equal to y, and substitute the values of x, we get the value of y. In case of second also, we get the same equations and same process, but in case of third equation, you have given x plus y is equal to 0, 2x minus y is equal to 9. In case of first equation, the coefficient of x and y is 1. You can easily solve this equation. Then how to solve this equation, we will discuss in detail. First one is graphical method. We will take third equation, x plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 0, we get y is equal to minus 6. Now substitute the value of x, we get the corresponding value of y. If we substitute x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to minus of 0, we get 0. Then x is equal to 2, we get y is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to minus 2, we get y is equal to minus of minus 2, we get plus 2. Now make the table from this one. We get the x, y and xy. Substitute the value of x is equal to 0, y is again 0, we get the point is 0, 0. Then x is equal to 2, minus 2, we get 2 minus 2. And third one is minus 2, 2, we get minus 2, 2. And plot this point on the graph. Now we will take the second equation, 2x minus y is equal to 9. Now in this equation, the coefficient of is 2 and coefficient of y is minus 1. So first find the weak point of this equation. When the coefficient of x or y is 1, that is the weak point. So shift or transfer that term to the RHS or LHS. Now in this case, if we transfer y to this RHS, we get, and 9 to this side, we get 2x minus 9 is equal to y, that is y is equal to 2x minus 9. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 2, we get 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 9, we get minus 5. X is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, we get y is equal to 2 into 4 minus 9, that is 8 minus 9, that is minus 1. And x is equal to 5, we get y is equal to 2 into 5 minus 9, 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Now why we cannot take the value of x is equal to 0 or negative values? And if we take the negative or 0 values, we get y is equal to minus 9. And in graph generally we take the values up to the 8, 8 to all sides. So we take a small value and we get the table xy, 2 minus 5, second one is 4 minus 1 and 5 minus 1. And if you plot these points on the graph, we get graph in this way. Now in this case, first we take the scale on both axes. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. You know that x-axis, y-axis, point of intersection is 0. Now for the first equation, we get the points 0, 0. First we take the point 0, 0, which is at the origin. Then 2 minus 2. This 2 minus 2 is in fourth quadrant. We get this point. Then minus 2, 2 in second quadrant. And we get this line x plus y is equal to 0. Second one, 2x minus y is equal to 9. The first point is 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is in fourth quadrant. This one is a 2 minus 5. Then 4 minus 1. Then 5, 1 in first quadrant. And if we join these 3 points, and these 3 points are collinear, and we get a single line, and this first line and second line intersect at a point, and that point is a common point, and common point is the solution of that linear equation, and that is 3 minus 3. We get the solution xy 3 minus 3. And this is the way to solve the sums by graphical methods. Now we will take the sixth sum of this exercise. And why you take the sixth sum? Because in sixth sum the coefficient of x and y is not equal to 1, and that time we have to use the second case. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 3y shifted to this side to the RHS and 4 to the LHS. We get 2x is equal to 4 plus 3y. 2 shifted to this side, so we get x is equal to 4 plus 3y upon 2. Now substitute the value of y is equal to 0. We get the value of x, that is 4 plus 3 into 0 upon 2. 4 plus 0 upon 2, because 3 into 0 is 0. 4 upon 2 we get the 2. Similarly, y is equal to 2, we get x is equal to 5. Then y is equal to minus 2, we get x is equal to minus 1. While writing in this table, I made a mistake, and you have to find the mistake. Then plot the graph. In second equation, 3y minus x is equal to 4. 4 shifted to this side, x shifted to this side, because the coefficient of x is 1, and that is a weak point of that equation. So we get 3y minus 4 is equal to x is equal to 3y minus 4, and if you substitute y is equal to 0, 3 into 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4 we get minus 4. Y is equal to 2, 3 into 2 6, 6 minus 4 we get 2. Y is equal to 3, 3 3s are 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, and we get the table x minus 4, y is 0, we get minus 4 0, 2 2, and the 5 3. And you have to plot these points on a graph. Now in this case we made a mistake, that first we have to find the mistake, then plot the points on the graph. And if you plot such points, these points are not collinear points. In this case, what I made mistake, first we have to find it and then draw the graph. Now the remaining sums, first, second, fourth and fifth, you have to solve at home, and if you have any queries, ask me. Okay, bye.